NEET did not just change my career, it changed the way I think, the way I fight, and the way I trust on myself. It is a test of patience, discipline, and mental strength. Many people start this journey, but very few people understand what I actually demands. This is not a story about the marks, about the rank, but even this is a story of not giving up when quitting felt easier. You are a NEET aspirant and preparing for a NEET, then this video is for you, and listen carefully. This phase is not a breaking you, it is a building you. So before NEET, I'm like a student with the big dreams and silent fears like you. I always dreamed like becoming a doctor, a good doctor in my life. To become a doctor, but I doubted on myself every day. I kept asking to myself, am I a good enough? Can I survive this competition? Like a lot of students, lakhs of students are preparing for a NEET exam. Can I survive this competition? What if I fail? What? NEET के बाद मैं क्या करूँगी अगर मैं फेल हो गई तो? एक बार अटेम्प्ट करूँगी, 2 बार अटेम्प्ट करूँगी, पर कितनी बार? मतलब मुझे लगता था कि इसके बाद मेरी कोई ज़िंदगी ही नहीं होगी. अगर मैं एक बार NEET क्लियर नहीं कर पाई तो उसके बाद मैं क्या करूँगी अपनी लाइफ में? That type of doubts are always in my mind, running and like that. Everyone around me looked confident, but inside me, always scared. Now I understand fear is not a weakness. You are trying something big in your life. You are trying. और अगर आप अभी तक ट्राई कर रहे हो ना, that means आप बहुत अपनी लाइफ में कुछ बहुत बड़ा अचीव करने वाले हो. So NEET preparation is the toughest year of my life, and I know it is in your life also. I know it is, because the NEET is the toughest exam. Early morning, long study hours, same syllabus again and again. I know this is a boring. बार एक ही syllabus को बार पढ़ना. सब कुछ आता है तब भी हमें बार वो पढ़ना पड़ता है और 1 साल तक पढ़ना पड़ता है. I know this is the tough. बहुत टफ है ये, because हम उस फेज में से निकले हुए हैं. ये बहुत टफ. एंड स्टिल लो मॉक टेस्ट स्कोर्स. इतना पढ़ने के बाद भी स्कोर आ रहे हैं सिर्फ 200-300 नंबर आ रहे हैं हमारे मॉक टेस्ट में. और उस टाइम पे जो कॉन्फिडेंस यहाँ से यहाँ जाता है ना, वो कोई नहीं जान सकता सिवाय उस एस्पायरेंट के. देयर वर अ डेज आई फेल्ट एग्जॉस्टेड, अ डेज व्हेन आई क्राइड साइलेंटली, डेज quitting felt easier than continuing. But NEET taught me one powerful lesson. You don't need motivation every day. You need a discipline to continue it. You need a discipline every day. You don't need a motivation. If you think lack of motivation is the reason कि आप study नहीं कर पा रहे हो, but there is a lack of discipline जिसकी वजह से आप study नहीं कर पा रहे हो रोज उठ के. I learned to study when I did not feel like it. I learned to show up when no one is watching. Slowly, without realizing it, I was becoming mentally stronger day by day. Fighting every day. सुबह उठते ही खुद से लड़ना, स्टडीज करनी, एक ही लेसन को बार रिपीट करना. So one day I stopped comparing myself with others. I stopped chasing perfection. I started focusing on progress. I told myself, I may be slow, but I will not stop. That decision changed everything. The day when I decided this, that changed everything. Because consistency beats talent when talent gives up. So from here, the journey is started. The MBBS journey is started. मुझे MBBS में एडमिशन मिल गई NEET के बाद. और आई नो द लाइफ इज़ नॉट ईजियर. NEET के बाद अगर हम ये सोचते हैं NEEट के टाइम पे कि एक बार NEET हो जाए उसके बाद फुल लाइफ में मज़े हैं, MBBS मिल जाएगी, सब ठीक है. बट आफ्टर दैट लाइफ इज़ नॉट ईजियर. हैवी सिलेबस, सेम प्रेशर, हॉस्टल लाइफ, लिविंग अलोन. इट्स नॉट ईजी. If you think during your NEET preparation, because on my time I used to watch that Operation MBBS series, and when I watched that, I just realizing and dreaming it like, oh my god, ऐसी लाइफ होती है क्या MBBS के टाइम पे? A lot of friends, chill, मस्ती, सब कुछ है उसमें. But the reality is different from the real. MBBS everything is tough. But NEET had already prepared me for this all pressure, exams and everything. That's why it looked easy. It seems easy for me. It seems easy for you also. जब आप MBBS में एंटर हो जाओगे, सो अगर इस बार इस टाइम पे आपको 1 ड्रॉप लेना पड़ रहा है, 2 ड्रॉप लेना पड़ रहा है, दैट मीन्स कि अभी आप उस चीज़ के लिए प्रिपेयर नहीं हो. अभी आप नहीं हो प्रिपेयर कि MBBS में आपको इतना प्रेशर झेलना पड़ जाए. तो अगर आप अभी टाइम लग रहा है ना, सो उस चीज़ से डरे हो मत कि यार इतना टाइम लग रहा है हमें, हमारा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है अभी एग्ज़ाम, ये सब कुछ. सो डोंट क्विट इट. Entered in MBBS does not mean I know everything, but because I know I can handle it now. I know I can handle that pressure, that heavy syllabus, living alone in a hostel and everything. This is how giving NEET changed my life. And to every aspirant, I just want to say, don't give up. So if you are preparing for NEET right now, listen carefully. You are not weak. You are just in phase that demands strength. Even if you fail, you won't lose everything. You gain discipline and self-belief. NEET did not just create doctors. NEET create fighters. So अगर आप अभी भी लड़ रहे हैं ना, you are becoming a good doctor in your future. लग रहा है 2 साल लग रहा है, लगाओ, पर करना है, छोड़ना नहीं है उसे. और अगर आप फेल भी होते ना तो आप बहुत कुछ सीखोगे इससे. So if this video motivated you, then please comment below NEET, and thank you so much for your support and everything.